country of ours is quite a place. Vast, beautiful, exciting, historic. Everywhere you look, people are on the go. For fun, to work. A million places to go. Mostly they go by automobile. For the family car has literally become a way of life. Driving can and should be fun. The freedom, the change, the adventure of it. All too often, the dream becomes a nightmare. In town, cross country, it happens every day. This year, every year, more than 50,000 people will be killed. This day, every day, more than 142 people will drive for the last time. Tragic? You bet your life it is. And we haven't even mentioned the 1.5 million injured each year. Why? What causes it? Carelessness, mainly. Too much speed. Loss of control. The inability to stop. Tires, inadequate or worn. Even at low speed, this can happen. Every time anyone drives your car, you, your wife, your teenage son or daughter, the hazard is there. Think about it a minute. You have 2 eyes, 2 hands, 2 feet, and a control center. All to steer 2 tons of high-powered metal between, alongside of, close to, and in front of thousands of other cars, in all states of repair, driven at all speeds, by all kinds of drivers. The thoughtless, the heedless, the preoccupied, even the little lady with a heavy foot. Each a menace, each makes good tires a must. Every time you stop, your tires do the job. In stopping, the full braking force is concentrated in a spot scarcely larger than your own footprint. Every time you make a turn, your tires must hold the road. At 60 miles an hour, a 2-ton force tries to rip your tires apart. Most days, your tire temperature reaches 240 degrees. No place for materials that can't fight back. Every year, many people are killed or injured, making roadside tire repairs. Every time a tire fails, risk is there. That's why thoughtful people take time to get the facts, to compare tires, to weigh the difference. Consider the famous puncture-sealing General Dual 90, the safety tire that was built to reduce accidents and save lives. The Dual 90 is different, and the difference may be a matter of life and death to you and your family. Compare a stack of 10 mass-produced tires with a stack of 10 Dual 90s. A difference? You bet your life. The Dual 90's extra strength comes from Nigen, General's exclusive processed nylon. Nigen is stronger than nylon, just as steel is stronger than iron. Heat caused by flexing is one of the major threats to tire life and safety. Moisture seeping in through tiny cuts is another. Nigen cord checks both. Shrugs off heat, is virtually immune to water damage. Construction is important too. General's exclusive shock-absorbing construction interlocks to meet hammering impact with the whole strength of the tire, not with the weakness of just one part. There are other differences too. Twin treads, for instance. Conventional tires roll here on a single tread. The Dual 90 puts 2 treads on the road to divide and share the load for steering, stability, and emergency stopping power. 2 treads thrust 504 ribbed segments against the road surface with more than 5,200 biting traction angles. Then there's Duragen tread rubber. Duragen with polybutadiene, the strongest, toughest rubber General Tire has developed in 50 years of research. Tread depth is important too. The Dual 90 has more than 27% greater tread depth than ordinary tires for mileage, for stopping ability. More convenience and safety too. Puncture sealing safety. The Dual 90 Strataseal sandwich type sealant seals punctures as it rolls. This then is the magnificent, incomparable puncture sealing General Dual 90. Built at extra cost of the finest materials available to most exacting quality standards. With the biggest difference of all in mind, performance. The kind of performance that means peace of mind, protection, which is all important when you consider the cargo your Dual 90s will carry. If you value your family, those you love, your own life, and the other driver, there's only one choice, the best. In today's traffic, only the best is good enough. With less, you can bet your life. The answer? Get and keep good tires on your car. Get General Tire's best, the puncture sealing Dual 90. Then drive safely, courteously, and defensively. Put the pleasure back into pleasure driving. See America, but see it safely.